Alright, so we're back up at Bear Ridge today. Gonna finally finish this fence, get that tightened up. I just needed a few more boards that I had to mill back at my house, so brought those up today. I've got those all right here, and we're gonna get that done. Probably do some more cleanup out here in terms of, you know, getting the stuff off of the driveway so it doesn't look so bad. Try to consolidate it and clean up more of the wood. Plenty, you know, it's going to keep going on and on, I think, for a while, but so we'll do that and feel like we'll make a little progress there. So that's mainly it today. I don't know how long this will be. We'll hopefully, if we get everything done, we have a little bit more time, we'll finally load up some of these logs to take down and turn into lumber. Probably mostly 2x4s, but that's the plan for today. So welcome to TWC Projects, and let's get started. All right, that's it for today. Made a lot of progress. Headed out here around around 9, and it's around 5, after 5 now. Here's where I piled up more of the stuff I've been cleaning up and putting the roots over here for now. I don't know, at some point I'm gonna need to get a dump truck or something up in here where I can load all this stuff up and move it off to a better location. But for now, making good progress. Still a little more cleaning to do here, but it's not bad. It's getting better every time I come up here, which is the plan, of course. And almost cleared out up here. Probably need to actually grab a rake and do some of this by hand, get it into piles, and then scoop it up with the tractor, clean it up. So anyway, well, I want to thank you all for coming along with me today and sharing as I create things, fix things, and enjoy God's amazing creation all around me. And I hope you're doing the same. So let's see, we got finished our gate, and we've got our pine loaded up too. Hopefully that holds real well. I kind of overdo it. I don't want to ever have a problem, but gate turned out real nice. And I'd say that's it. So thank you again for joining me, and thanks for subscribing. Thanks for hitting the like and sharing with friends. And that's progress, more progress today, and we've got more to come, so hang in there, and until next time, have a fantastic day and a fantastic week, and I will see you on the next project.